This milk bread is very tasty and very soft. Normally, bread making requires a lot of kneading, but for this bread recipe, you don't need to knead the dough. Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special, eggless milk bread without kneading the dough. Very simple and easy to prepare at home. Tastier and healthier than market bread. Let's check out our recipe. First, in a bowl, I'm adding 50 ml of warm water. To this, I'm adding 40 grams of sugar. Mix well to melt the sugar. When sugar melts, add dry yeast 6 grams. Mix and close the lid. Now set this aside till yeast grows. Until yeast grows, I'm sifting 350 grams of all-purpose flour into my mixing bowl. Into this, I'm adding 7 grams of salt. Mix well salt and flour. Now I'm adding warm milk 200 ml to the flour. Now it's time to add the yeast. My yeast grows well. I'm adding yeast to the flour. I am mixing all the ingredients well. When flour mixed well with wet ingredients, I'm adding melted unsalted butter. Mix this butter into the dough. When butter absorbed by the dough, cover the dough and give rest for 20 minutes. You can use stretch film or wet cloth to cover. After 20 minutes, our dough grows little bit. Now we will fold and give rest again. Fold minimum 20 times. When dough becomes difficult to fold, cover it and give a rest for 20 more minutes. After 20 minutes, fold the dough for 20 times or till it becomes harder to fold. Repeat the same previous process. I've finished second folding. Now I will give 30 more minutes rest. After 30 minutes, press the dough gently to make the gas out. Now cut the dough into 4 equal parts. Fold the edges towards inside and make it into ball shape. The top surface should be smooth. Now I am covering and giving rest for 15 minutes. Till that, I'm going to grease my bread mold with oil. You can use butter as well. After 15 minutes, take the dough balls. Press gently to release the gas. Now with the help of the rolling pin, I'm rolling gently to make the dough flat. Don't press too hard and make it thinner. Keep it a little bit thicker. Now fold the dough as I'm showing and roll it. Press the edges to seal the roll and fix. Place this in bread mold which we grazed before. Continue the same process for the rest of the dough. Now I'm covering it with cloth. Now I will rest it till it grows to the mold level. If you are using big size bread mold, rest it for 40 minutes to 1 hour. My dough grows double in size. I'm brushing on top with milk. You can use egg yolk as well. This will give good color. Do it very gently. Now this will go into preheated oven at 160 degrees for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, our soft and spongy layer bread is ready. Look at the color on the top. This is because of milk which we apply. If once you make this bread at home, you will never buy one from market. If you like this video, give thumbs up. Your subscription is a big support to me and to my channel. Please comment below your opinion on this video.